Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make your chai spicier. If you're someone who really enjoys the taste of chai because of its spice, I'm going to show you today how to take that tea to the next level. Let's get started. Now, I've just finished brewing my cup of chai tea, which I've done using a chai tea bag and some hot water. And I have my chai tea here, but I want it to be more spicy. With a few simple spices that you probably have in your cupboard at home, you can do that. So we're going to take our hot tea, and you do want to make sure that you're doing this right after you make your cup of chai tea so that the water is very hot. And the first spice we're going to use is cinnamon. Now, cinnamon obviously is not very spicy, but it's definitely going to add some more flavor to your beverage. I'm going to take a full teaspoon of cinnamon and put that in my chai. Then I'm going to take my ground ginger, which this is going to be the primary ingredient that's going to add some more spice to the chai. And ginger is very intense and spicy, so I'm virtually just going to sprinkle some of that on top of my chai. Lastly, I'm going to take some nutmeg and do the same thing. I'm not going to actually take a teaspoon or a measuring spoon. I'm just going to sprinkle this nutmeg on top to give it some extra spice. Once I have all those ingredients in there, I'm then going to stir that around. And again, you're using very hot tea here so that these spices will blend in well with the tea. Once you've stirred that around and it's blended in well, you can then finish off your chai with your hot milk to add some creamy texture to the chai. And if you want it to be a little sweeter, you could add a teaspoon or two of some sugar. And again, you could take these measurements. You can modify them. If you even want your chai tea to be spicier than what we've showed you here today, you can then go ahead and add more ginger to add some more spice to it. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make your chai a little more spicy.